Pidgy Pidge there, just robbing the leftover food that we put out on the bird table, the heli bird table. Is Pidge going to fly up to the bird table? Let's have a look. Oh, looking. Oh, there's food there. We'll be having that away. Pidgy Pidgy. Hello Pidgy Pidgy. I'm sat here, literally look. So I'm not a million miles away from Pidgy Pidgy. Come on, Pidgy Pidgy. Pidgy Pidgy. Oh, let's go look over there where the spare bread is that the little birds had. Come on, Pidgy Pidgy. Oh, look, we're shooting stuff there. No, we don't shoot birds, do we, guys? Rats, yeah, all day, every day, we're plinking. We don't shoot birds. Except if you're on a farm and you've got the farmer's permission or anything. And they're pests that are going to damage their crops in any way, or seeds or whatever. And sadly, yes, it's a necessity. And there goes Pigeon onto the table. Go on, Pidgy Pidgy, feed your face. Okay, knock it off then, Pidgy Pidge. Come on, Pidgy Pidgy. No faffage there from Pidgy Pidgy. No faffagination. Just look, raggets. Knock it everywhere, Pidgy Pidge. Do the job, look, and there's a little one there. Oh, little one's come in because Pidgy Pidge is feeding up there. Little one coming in. Oh, they're all happening here now. There's hundreds of them now. What's going on? We're getting, it's like Alfred Hitchcock here now. Yo. We're running inside the shed with me helis in a minute, guys. Pidgy Pidgy. Come on, Pidgy. And there we go, guys. That's my view at the moment. Pidgy Pidgy and his crew. That's the Wrexham gangsters, look. It's a crew in Wrexham sorting the place out, like, look. Have it. It's the Pigeon posse. He's got his entourage, look. Alright, have a great day, guys. Like, subscribe, and get it all done. Come on now.